Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to place a fishing net in Project Zomboid. First, you need to have a fishing net trap item in your main inventory, not in a bag. You can either loot a pre-made net or craft one if you've unlocked the recipe. Next, go to a body of water where fishing is possible, like a river, lake, or pond. You must be standing right next to the water's edge to place the net successfully. Right-click on the water tile, and in the context menu that appears, select Place Fishing Net. You'll see a ghost outline showing where the net will go. Click to place it in the water. Once placed, the fishing net will sit in the water for a while and start catching fish over time. Leave it for at least an hour of in-game time before checking it. The longer you leave it, the higher the chance it'll catch something. To check your net, walk back to it later. Right-click the placed net and choose Check Trap. This pulls up any fish or bait fish it caught and gives you a bit of fishing experience. If you need to move or collect the net, right-click it and select Remove Trap. You'll pick it up again so you can place it elsewhere. And that's how you place and use a fishing net in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.